Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out this Third Hill shirt I got here. I'll show it to you, and it is a blue. I got a bright blue, and I got the hoodie. So look at that. So how cool is this one here? So it's a hoodie, and it's got little pockets on the side, like the Third Hill stuff does. They just make good stuff, and I'll show you guys what it looks like here. Up here, it's kind of got a waffle pattern, I guess you would call it. You can see it's got the squares on the inside. It's kind of a soft version of that. I guess it's just the inner side of it. And I'm going to try it on over my t-shirt here, and we'll see how this goes. So there we go. So I got a large, and I am about this video all over the place. I'm a large, and I'm about 190 pounds. I don't know if you can hear me. Let me take it out and reclip this on here. I'm about 190 pounds and about 5'10". So you can see it fits here. It goes up to about the top of my butt kind of area on the length, and the sleeves are a good size. They go, they would be all the way up there. Good. If I put my hands way up, I could probably pull it down a little bit. Yeah, but it's a good size. Fits good. It's got a good pocket, the good size pocket that you could, and the pockets, they line them up with the side seams, so you don't really see them so much. So nobody really necessarily knows there's a pocket unless you're using it. But you could put something in it. If I have my phone here, I could put that in there, and it's just disappears in there. It fits all the way in, so it's kind of nice. And then we have the hood. So let's check out that. So it's backwards there. There we go. So there, I can put the hood on, and I can do this. This is great for like me when I want to go on the airplane or something like that. I always want to wear a hood, and it's not very heavy. It's kind of a, it's the same material as the shirt, so it's not super heavy. It's not going to keep me hot and sweaty, and I can just put this little hood on and go to sleep on the airplane, and no one's going to bother me. I could probably pull it down a little bit if I wanted to, but super cool. I like this. It looks really good. This is what it looks like from the back with the hood on, so you can get a good idea of it, and fits great for me. I mean, totally perfect size, so totally awesome. I love it. Thumbs up for sure.